1, 2, 3, 4. With the 7 dwarfs, looking for Snow White. Though the witch has got her, we'll rescue her tonight. We'll fight the witch with spades, throw sand into her eyes, and taste the light away. Hip, 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 hooray. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. The witch's daughter, we'll rescue her tonight. We'll fight the witch's spades, throw sand into her eyes, and taste the light away. Hip, 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 hooray. Have you seen her?
Ooh.
Snow White.
No, I haven't seen Snow White, but I did see Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty? That's the wrong story.
What is this?
Is it?
This is Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beanstalk?
Where's the beanstalk?
There isn't one. Who are you?
Oh, we're not in the story at all.
This is very confusing.
You're telling me.
Story?
Yes, he's in the woods.
That's not right.
No, it isn't. He should be up there. Nothing much is right today.
How do you know the giant's in the woods if you haven't seen him?
That's a very sensible question.
Very sensible question. Thank you. So how do you know?
I know he's there, because I heard him roaring.
Roaring? What is roaring?
B-I-O-M. Shake and quiver. Here I come.
Like that.
Goodness me, it's not the time. Better get Google. Come along.
Must be going. Better be in our way.
Right, we go. Stop. Things to do. Places to go. What to see? Hey, my head.